Well, we're continuing to add up all of the rainfall from this latest round, or I guess it's still ongoing as we get into this morning, but we're up over 3 inches out of Columbia Regional, Boonville, and that's one of the locations that's dealing with a lot of flooding. They're over 6 inches as we get into Cooper County, and that's where the problems start. Amounts like that are what's being found in places that are right along I-70 here in the heart of Columbia. We picked up a ton of rain as well, about 4 to 5 inches in the city limits itself. So there's a lot of flash flooding issues going on and likely going to continue as we go forward the next 24 hours. Latest look at FUTURETRACK. Again, what's left out there is going to try to scoot off toward the east. Still got a few more batches in us until we get to about midday. Then I think we're going to be tracking a break in the activity. But it's going to be fairly short-lived, we think. As we get into about 4 to 5 o'clock later tonight, we got more storms in us that are going to bubble back up. And some of these could be on the strong side of the spectrum. Again, kind of like what we saw yesterday. And they're going to be bringing some more heavy rain, unfortunately, to a lot of the same locations it looks like here as we get into this evening, right on into the overnight hours. Get up to about 11 or 12 o'clock, and I think most of the severe weather should start to scoot off toward the east. I can't imagine it lasts too much longer into the overnight hours, but we still have rain on the board as we get into the early morning on Saturday. We'll just kind of mop up from there. Unfortunately, that might be in more ways than one here across mid-Missouri. Looking at that severe threat, again, we're in that level 2 risk category from the Storm Prediction Center across most of mid-Missouri. The primary threats, if we see anything on that strong side of the spectrum, large hail, damaging straight line winds, but there's nothing that's going to be kind of catching that flooding risk, so to speak, as we get into this afternoon. That is a big issue already, and that is going to continue to be an issue with more rain on the way. Latest look at Rain Tracker. Not exactly what you want to see here. 2 to 4 more inches possibly as we get into this evening on top of what we've already picked up. We showed you Boonville. You're up over 6 inches already. We are out of places to put some of that rain on this weather alert day. So again, stay with us. We're going to be tracking those road closings all throughout the Friday and possibly into your Saturday morning.